The 82-107 Latch lever kit is compatible with a variety of sliding glass door handle sets, making it simple to repair your existing handle without replacing the entire mechanism. This project requires needle nose pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, a slotted screwdriver, and a hammer. First, remove the handle plate from the door. We can see that the lever pin has broken off on the thumb latch, but now would be a good time to make sure the mortise lock is fully functional by testing it with a screwdriver. As long as it still turns, you will only need to replace the latch lever. Set the handle on a block of wood. Depending on how damaged the latch is, the washers may fall off or need to be removed with your slotted screwdriver and pliers. To install the new latch, stack the plastic washer on the latch lever. Then, place them on the exterior of the handle. On the interior side of the handle, insert your lever pin, followed by the wave washer and push nut. Carefully tap the push nut down with your slotted screwdriver and hammer. Give the screwdriver a few taps to fully secure the lever in place. Reinstall your handle plate to the door, being sure to give the latch one final test turn. For these parts and more, visit us at Swissco.com.